In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see old matches in League of Legends. If you've ever tried to review past games in the League client, you've probably noticed it only shows the most recent 20 matches. That's where third-party sites come in handy. The easiest way to look back further is by using sites like op.gg or UGG, which are designed to display a much deeper match history along with helpful stats and filters. Start by opening your browser and searching for op.gg or UGG. Pick either one. Both work well for this purpose. Once you're on the site, look for the search bar at the top of the page. Type your Riot ID, then add the hashtag and your tag right after it, and confirm the search. This format helps the site find the exact account you're looking for, even if there are similar names. When your profile loads, you'll see a list of your games organized from newest to oldest. Unlike the in-game client, these sites typically pull in a lot more matches, so you can scroll much further back. This makes it great for tracking progress over time or revisiting specific patches or champions you were practicing. To make browsing easier, use the filters on the page. You can choose a queue type, such as Ranked or ARAM, to narrow down what you're seeing. There's also a champion filter that lets you display only the games where you played a particular champion. That's especially useful if you're analyzing your performance on one pick without the noise of other roles or modes. Whenever you want more detail about a specific game, click the match itself. This opens a detailed view where you can see things like your KDA, damage dealt, CS numbers, build path, runes, and items. You'll also see information about objectives, team compositions, and how the game unfolded. It's a simple way to identify what went well, where you struggled, and what patterns might be affecting your results. As you explore, keep in mind that each site's layout and naming might differ slightly, but the core idea is the same. Search your profile, scroll through the extended match history, filter by queue or champion if you want, and click into a game for deeper insights. And that's really all there is to it. Using OAPG or U.GG is the most straightforward way to see older matches and learn from them beyond what the in-game client shows.